Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Got a stunning delivery mileage long wheelbase MAN TGE for you here. Top of the range with the automatic gearbox. It's the 3.180 version, so it's 177 PS. It is a four-wheel drive as well. It's got the formation system. As you can see, not a standard vehicle at all. Loads of factory options, including the LED lights there. Bespoke front bumpers with the fog lights, gloss black detailing. Got the laser lights as well, fully blacked out grille with the contrasting MAN badge. Front, side and rear park sensors too. 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with General Grabber 83 tyres. Stunning looking van. Got the full length side steps fitted as well, matte black, full program of colour coding all down the sides there, smoke instant marker lights too, along with the gloss black mirror caps. I've got it running so that I don't melt when I get inside, as it's rather warm today. Full bespoke leather retrim, two-tone with the contrast stitching and centre perforations. And these are comfort swivel seats, so they will swivel around into the back, which as you can see is left totally bare, so you can do whatever you wish with it. Whether you want to use it as a van, ply line it out, or turn it into a camper or a race van, it's all there and available for you. Styling kit extends to the rear as well. We've got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector, along with a bespoke rear bumper too. Fully debadged on the rear, nice clean look to it. Got the high level reverse camera. And they're factory side windows with the sliding open section. Has got the lights and vision pack, power fold mirrors too, and heated leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Load of other bits and bobs on here as well, so we've got diff lock, rear lighting. This one's also got the climatronic system, so dual zone climate, really nice and cool in here. And the navigation system too, Discover Media navigation with App Connect, so you can hook your phone up for CarPlay or Android Auto. Full set of tailored fitted mats too. So top of the range van with a huge amount of factory options and additional spec on top of that. Delivery miles, waiting list of a year on these guys if you're looking to order one new. This one's here now and ready. Got 20 plus photos on the website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk, along with a full written description. Finance facilities are available and part exchange is welcome, so please do get in touch with us if you're interested in this van. Thanks for watching.